Let's go. Lesson 8. Shapes. Listen and repeat. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is a square. This is a square. This is a circle. This is a circle. This is a star. This is a star. This is a diamond. This is a diamond. This is a heart. This is a heart. This is an oval. This is an oval. This is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. See you soon.